So I'm making this video to give you a quick and easy lesson to improve your drumming within 2 minutes. Most drummers, at least most beginning drummers, if you sit them down behind a drum kit, give them some sticks and say, just show me what you think drumming is, then they usually cross their hands to play cross stick, what we call cross stick. And they usually don't use open-handed technique. Now the thing with cross stick technique is that you're basically messing with your brain because you're switching your hands. Now all of a sudden your right hand is on your left side and your left hand is on your right side. So it can make things more difficult. But also it can hinder you while you're playing. So if you want to play 16 notes on your snare while you're playing 8 notes on your hi-hat, then you're moving your sticks against each other. And then the sticks can hit each other, which will trip you up or at least will feel uncomfortable. So next I'm going to show you a nice and easy trick to avoid all this. When you're playing timpani, you're holding your sticks parallel, basically parallel. And then you notice that your elbows are pressed into your body. That's going to be in the way when you want to go around the kit. When you hold your sticks roughly 90 degrees, if you do that from parallel to 90 degrees, you notice that your elbows are going out away from your body. And it gives you more room to go around the kit. That's for one thing. If you play a beat cross stick, your sticks are literally crossed. So if you have to play, let's say, the 16 notes on your snare while you're playing 8 notes on your hi-hat, then it's easy to hit your sticks together. Now if you move that a little bit further so that your sticks are almost again parallel, but not like this, but like this, so inverse parallel, then you have room on the inside of your right stick to hit your snare. So you can hit your snare as hard as you want without hitting your stick that's playing the hi-hat. So you can play those 16 notes as hard as you want to, but it also just gives you more freedom in doing intricate stuff. Instead of So thank you for watching this video. I hope it helps you. Please just come to my website all-about-drums.com for free lessons and a course that goes very deep in explaining you the logic way of drumming so that you can learn it faster and feel more confident with your playing.